What is home? Is it the security we feel within our four walls? Or is it the warmth of togetherness we feel with the loved ones? The cloud of nostalgic memories? Or is it the comfort of being oneself as an individual? Or is it entirely an idea, forming and reforming with the layers of experiences? This city has been my home for quite some time. It is UNESCO's City of Literature, Heidelberg. Located in the Neckar Valley, surrounded by mountains of Königstuhl and Geisberg, forests of Odenwald. From ancient times, this panoramic view has inspired students to contemplate on ideas and reflect on nature of things. And hence the name of this path, Philosophenweg, or Philosopher's Way. This narrow path, red stone walls covered with moss, old cobbled stones and stairs, connects to the old bridge and the other part of the town. The meandering roads, the bends, the curves are all serpentine in nature. Hence the name Schlangenweg, which roughly translates as snake-like path. Down the Schlangenweg, we have now reached the old sandstone bridge, called the Alte Brücke, also known as Karl Theodor Brücke. Built with Neckar sandstones. The poet Friedrich Hölderlin described this bridge as strong and simple. But as he paused on the bridge, he said,
as if sent by the gods, the enchantment enthralled, because I passed over all the way to the mountains.
These castle ruins are one of the most beautiful Renaissance structures in Alps. Mark Twain described the castle in his travel book, A Tramp Abroad. He said,
A ruin must be rightly situated to be effective. This one could not have been better placed. Nature knows how to garnish a ruin to get the best effect.
Destroyed repeatedly in wars and by lightning, this castle is the epitome of Romanticism since the 19th century. A symbol of sublime in its beauty and terror. Whether white in winter or green in summer, this castle grounds looks beautiful in all the seasons. This place can be reached by Bergbahn, the funicular railway, or by foot. Descending from the castle, we reach the square at its foot called Karl's Platz. This square has many old buildings, including Heidelberg Academy of Sciences and Palais Beaux-Arts. We are here now, and this is 1.8 kilometers long pedestrian road called the Hauptstraße, or the main street. It is the longest and oldest pedestrian road in Europe. This street is lined with many old, beautiful buildings. Glamorous shopping centers, restaurants with cuisines across the globe makes this street absolutely amazing, lively, and entertaining. Walking down Hauptstraße is a fulfilling experience by itself. On this street, there are many historically significant squares and buildings. For instance, Kornmarkt, the Church of the Holy Spirit, Heiliggeistkirche, Haus zum Ritter and Georg, one of the few houses that had escaped destruction almost entirely. Friedrichsbau. Earlier, it was the official residence for professors of Heidelberg University, including professors like Hermann von Helmholtz and Gustav Robert Kirchhoff. Who does not remember their laws from high school physics lessons? So yes, this place has been my home, far away from homeland. In the words of Hölderlin, from the poem Heidelberg, Lang lebe ich dich schon. I have loved you for a long time. I hope you enjoyed the walk around with me. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And comment down below, what does home mean to you? See you soon. Goodbye.